Hello again, it's Haley and Mukmuk here at Piano Hobby, a place to learn music in a fun, enjoyable way. Now that we know how to read notes and where the middle C position is, let's learn to play some songs in the middle C position today. But first, we'll need to understand basic note values and time signatures in order to play these songs correctly. Imagine there's a whole pie. You and I want to share it. How are we going to do that?
That's right. Every time you see a whole pie, think of this music note called the whole note. It actually looks like a whole pie. So we cut the pie equally in half and it becomes 2 half slices. One for me and one for you, Mukmuk. Now think of each half pie as a half note. A whole note has 2 half notes. If I want to share my half slice with my student and Mukmuk wants to share his half with his girlfriend, we'll need to cut our half slice in half again. That means the whole pie is divided into 4 quarter slices. Now think of each quarter pie as a quarter note. A whole note has 4 quarter notes, and a half note has 2 quarter notes. And again, if each one of us wants to share their pie with a friend, we'll need to cut our quarter slice in half again, which now makes each slice an eighth slice. A whole note has 8 eighths notes. Once again, if each of us wants to share their pie with a person, we'll need to split our eighth slice in half, which now makes each slice a 16th slice. A whole note has 16 16th notes. Here's the breakdown of the note values. A whole note has 8 eighth notes. Each half note has 4 eighth notes, and each quarter note has 2 eighth notes. As well, a whole note has 16 16th notes. Every half note has 8 16th notes. Each quarter note has 4 16th notes, and an eighth note has 2 16th notes. Hope you get the point by now? Basically, the smaller your slice of pie is, the faster it'll take you to finish that slice, and the shorter the note length will be. Let's hear and compare the note lengths for each note value. Alright, let's talk about time signatures. Hope you're good with fractions. A time signature tells you how the music is to be counted. It is written at the beginning of the staff after the clef. These vertical bar lines that divide music into sections are called measures. Time signatures have 2 numbers written like a fraction, a number at the top and a number at the bottom. The top number tells you how many beats to count per measure. The bottom number tells you what kind of note to count. So if you see a time signature of 4/4, the top number 4 means to count 4 beats per measure, and the bottom number means each beat is a quarter beat. The beat is counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Today, we'll only focus on the 4/4 time signature. We'll learn the other time signatures in the next lesson. Now that we understand the 4/4 time signature and the note values, let's play some songs in the middle C position. The first one is Ode to Joy.
In this lesson, we did a lot of pie eating, a lot of math, and learned to play some songs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see our next one.